If you've been posting your heart out on Instagram, chasing trends, and still not seeing consistent leads, I totally get it. Here's the truth: your dream clients are probably hanging out somewhere quieter, where they're actually looking for help and not just scrolling for entertainment. Yep, I'm talking about Pinterest, as you might guess. I've used Pinterest to grow my own six-figure business and helped hundreds of female service providers, photographers, wedding pros, coaches, other creatives do the same. The best part, you don't need to dance on reels or spend every waking moment online. In this video, I am going to be showing you exactly how to use Pinterest to attract clients and build a marketing system that keeps working even when you're not. Create consistent content without the burnout. Pinterest loves fresh content, but that doesn't mean that you need to be posting every single day. The secret: consistency that fits your life. Most of my clients spend just about 1 hour a week on Pinterest marketing using my batching system. They repurpose their blog posts, videos, and podcast episodes, as well as lead magnets and services, into multiple pins that drive traffic all week long. You don't have to start big. Once a week is enough when it's done strategically. So think of Pinterest as your long-time game traffic engine. You post and it keeps bringing you visitors for months and oftentimes for years. It is the best. Pro tip: use a scheduler like Tailwind and batch your pins all at once. It's like setting your marketing on cruise control. Speak to what they're searching for. The magic of Pinterest is that people come to it with a goal. They're planning, researching, or dreaming about something that they want to do next. So before you create, ask yourself this: what is my ideal client typing into that search bar when they're ready to take action? If you're a wedding photographer, you might be searching for San Jose Vineyard wedding inspiration. Or if you're a coach, it could be how to get clients without social media. Create content that answers these searches directly. When you solve a problem or ease a pain point, you are naturally building trust, and that's where conversation begins. I always use my feel, felt, found storytelling method. I know how you feel. I have felt that way too. But here's what I found that really works: it connects, educates, and converts all at once. Use keywords like a pro. Pinterest isn't a social media platform. It's a visual search engine. It's basically a search marketing platform, just like YouTube and Google. And that means that your keywords are everything. Your captions, titles, and even image file names help Pinterest understand who to show your content to. Think of all of it as SEO for Pinterest, only with pretty pictures. Here's how to start. Create a list of short tail keywords like Pinterest marketing or wedding photography or Bay Area brand photography, and then add long tail keywords like Pinterest for service providers or how to grow your coaching business with Pinterest. Sprinkle them naturally into your pin titles, your descriptions, and your Pinterest profile, as well as the text that goes on top of the pins. A lot of people forget to do that. Remember, keywords aren't about gaming the system. They're about helping Pinterest, the algorithm, connect your content with the right people. If you want a deep dive, I cover this inside of the club where we brainstorm keywords for your business a few times a year. Pinterest is visual, so your graphics really matter, but they don't need to be fancy. They just need to clearly communicate your value. Here's what works best for service providers. Use your brand colors, fonts, and your website address for recognition. Keep your designs clean and text easy to read on mobile. And then add a headline that solves a pain point. how to book clients from Pinterest, and a simple call to action or CTA, something like learn now or download free or click to learn more. You can create stunning on brand pins in Canva in minutes, no design degree required. And if you want, I do have 10 free pin templates for you. You just have to go to learn.jenvasquez.com/resources. Of course, that link will be down below. Pro tip, mix up your visuals, try static pins and also video pins from your blogs, your freebies, and your services. Convert the clicks. Getting people to your site is great, but traffic means absolutely nothing without conversion. Most Pinterest users are new to you. They're discovering your business for the very first time. So your job is really to help them take that next step and get a quick win. Here's how to optimize your content for conversions. Number one, add links to related blogs or podcast episodes or YouTube videos to keep visitors engaged. Number two, include a freebie or an email opt-in to capture those leads. And three, add a clear call to action to every single post, like book a free discovery call online or download your free checklist. Also, this call to action should be in the middle of the blog. You don't want to put it to the end because not everyone gets to the end of your blog. Think of Pinterest as the top of your funnel, the start of a relationship that leads to sales later. One of my photography clients doubled her bookings just by linking her free wedding guide and inquiry form to every single pin with no ads, no content posting, just a smart Pinterest system. And she added that to every single blog and she doubled her bookings that next year. Ready to bring in clients while you sleep? Pinterest is not about luck. It is all about strategy, consistency, and a system that lets your marketing work for you. If you're ready to stop guessing what to post and start generating clients with ease, I can help. So check out the club, as I mentioned earlier, or if you want my team to handle everything for you, explore my Pinterest management services. I'll put the link below. Either way, Pinterest can become your silent sales machine, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. See you next week.